Hey guys, welcome to the Delf Stack, and this is how to fix screenshot on Google Chrome. So, guys, if you ever encounter this issue, what you could try to do is you could just simply first open up the Chrome into your device. Now, here on the Chrome, go to the web URL at the top, and you could just simply go ahead and search for Chrome double colon slash slash flags. Now, it will redirect you over here. Now, to do this, you could just simply go ahead and search for Incognito Screenshot. So from here, as you can see, we will have an option Incognito Screenshot. So make sure to select the default one and make sure to enable it. Now, down below, to apply the changes, you could just simply select Relaunch at the bottom right corner of the screen. And mostly, this can fix screenshot on Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.